Hi, I'm Zola, and this is an open leg rocker Pilates tutorial. Open leg rocker is an intermediate Pilates exercise. It's a frustrating Pilates exercise, but we all have to do it. It's very rewarding when you get it. Let's get started. So just make sure you have enough space behind you to roll back. And instead of rolling like a ball with the fingers facing inward, it's actually the thumbs that are forward and the fingers are backward. So if you want a little open leg rocker prep, make sure, just like rolling like a ball, your tailbone is curled under and you're sitting behind the tailbone and behind the sits bones. My sits bones and tailbone are now in front of me instead of me being on top of them. Hold on to those ankles and let's just do a little prep here. So keeping the shoulders down, knees no wider than the shoulders, stretch the right leg up and then put it down. And then you stretch the left leg up. Now, as you stretch the legs up, we're trying to avoid sinking, right? We want the reach of the leg to not make the spine get shorter, keeping space in the waist. And this is step number one. We just practice this for a while. Maybe if your legs don't get straight, you hold on to the backs of the thighs and stretch your legs as much as your body will allow, holding the powerhouse, scooping the belly. You do a few of those, and once you're comfortable, you start to extend both legs up and then both legs down, right? A little prep here. Stretch both legs up and bend both knees. Once you're comfortable with that, you find the open leg rocker, tailbone tucked under. My shoulders are wide though, so I'm not collapsed here. Just like rolling like a ball, inhale, roll to the tips of the shoulder blades, and exhale, roll right back up. First one's always hard. There was a lot of bounce in that one. So again, inhale, roll back. Find your seat. Exhale, roll up. Sit tall. I'm still behind the tailbone and sits bones, but my chest is open. My inner thighs, even though they're not pressing into each other, there's always one like that. It's hard to do and talk. My inner thighs, even though they're not pressing into each other, they're still active. My glutes are active. Inhale back. As I come up, tailbone to the sky. It's rounding the lowest back that makes it hard. One more. Inhale back. And exhale, curl the tailbone under to lift. Now, open leg rocker is not my best exercise. I'm not going to lie. There's a lot of Elvis pelvis happening, but it's always something to work towards. Now, if you want to advance the exercise, there are many ways you can advance it. You can, instead of having shoulder width legs, you can have legs together, which is much harder. Again, inhale back and exhale, roll up. Inhale back and exhale, roll up. Making it more advanced, flex the feet, hook the forefinger and the middle finger on the toes, round back, and roll up. Woo! Lots of rocking there, but you can see what happens when your body is getting acclimated to the exercise. One more like that. So unlike that last rep that I just did, my head touched the mat, you don't want your head to touch the mat. I'm not going to edit any of those mistakes out because it happens, they happen, and that's totally natural in your Pilates practice. Maybe one day it won't happen anymore, but I highly doubt it because I'm very human. So give open leg rocker a try. Let me know how it goes in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.